Hi, I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, and here's the question I got asked is, can a domain admin on my Google Workspace email, can they access my passwords? Before I answer that question and show you the answer, please hit that subscribe button. Now, this is really pretty easy. I'm a domain manager for my own account right here. So I'm logged into my domain. You can see right here, I'm logged in as tlburris@teddyburris.com. This is my business account. And I'm looking at one of the users I have on this account, info@teddyburris.com. You can see right here, I have the ability to reset their password, but I do not have the ability to see their password. I can change anything I want on this account. I can see what's going on with this account and how much they're using it, but I cannot see their current password. Google wants us to follow the philosophies that they use throughout their entire platform, including Gmail. Google does not have the ability to see our password. A Google system with the appropriate steps has the ability to initiate a password reset, but they cannot see our passwords, and that applies the same here in the Google Workspace Domain Manager. I can do a password reset, but I can't see their password, and what that does is that prohibits any domain manager from being able to log into a user's email without them knowing about it. So the answer is no, you can't see their password. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. And if this information is useful to you, hit that subscribe button. And if there's something I can do to help you further, you know how to get a hold of me.